Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to turn your Canva presentation to a PowerPoint. First things first, open up your Canva app. Once you are here, what you want to do is to look for your previously made Canva presentation. So, what you'll be doing is press Projects. In Projects, you can view all of the things that you have made in Canva before. So now, look for a PowerPoint presentation that you have made and select it. So now that I'm in here and your presentation is all done, what you are going to do is to press the button on the top right of your screen. So in here, you just have to press on the download. Then, it will bring you to a new page where you can change the format of the file. Change it to PPTX or Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And then, press download. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now turn your Canva presentation to a PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.